If you're searching for more affordable home options, Escape, the fastest RV tiny home company in America, has several to choose from. Rated as having the most beautiful tiny houses in the world by Forbes magazine, this company has over 10 models to choose from with various customizations starting as low as $43,600. They are handcrafted and built to human scale. These tiny houses on wheels can virtually go anywhere there is a proper road, and depending on the state you live in, can also be placed on land and used as a permanent residence. The utility connections are located on one side of the unit. All you have to do is plug it in. They also offer electric only and off-grid options. The units can be parked on any level, firm site like concrete, blacktop, or compacted gravel, and are delivered complete and fully assembled straight from the factory based in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Best of all, they have some models in stock that can be available for delivery immediately, with delivery cost and time depending on your location. Each unit is designed to maximize space and storage possibilities, and they come standard with large panoramic windows, folding steps, maple composite flooring, butcher block countertops, custom wood cabinetry, under-counter refrigerator, deep stainless steel sink, an enclosed bathroom with bowl sink, toilet, and 36-inch shower. There's also a tall storage closet, large underbed drawer, long shelves, and storage cabinets. Additional options include a large fridge, induction cooktop, microwave, washer-dryer unit, various heating and AC options, flip tables, stone countertops, and more. The Escape tiny houses are designed for extreme climates like heavy snow and temperatures both frigid and sweltering, and they've already been tested by everyday people who have bought the units as private residences in Florida, Washington State, Hawaii, New England, and Colorado, to name a few. They have even set up villages in Florida and Wisconsin. Or you can try out an Escape unit via Airbnb in various states. So let us know what you think about these Escape tiny homes. Thanks for watching and have fun today.